How to make an origami horse. You need a square piece of paper, but if you have regular paper just like me, fold one of the bottom corners to the top edge of the paper. Make sure the sides are in line with one another before you crease it down. Now cut or tear the end part off. If tearing, fold the end piece over and put a lot of pressure on the edge. Open it up and reverse the fold. This will give you a tidier tear. Fold the opposite corner so that you have an X. Now fold the bottom edge to the top. Do the same to the other side. Your square should now look like this. Next up, fold two edges into the center to create a kite shape. Now open it up and fold the opposite sides in. Your square should now look like this. Fold the square in half and cut along the lines that form the letter Y. Fold the bits you've just cut into the outer edges. These are going to be the legs. Now fold the triangle bits in. This is going to be the stomach. Fold one of your legs in, and then fold the actual leg part out so that the inside edge is in line with this fold. Fold the bottom edge over to meet the top edge. Now repeat the process with the other 3 legs. Fold the top point plus the top 2 legs over. Then fold the bottom point back out. Make sure that the fold is at the bottom edge of the legs. Now do the same with the bottom point. However, this time, fold it over to where the legs start. Fold the whole thing in half. With the shortest edge, the tail end, fold it downwards like so. Now reverse the fold so that it's tucked inside. With the other edge, fold it down like before, but this time around halfway. Before you reverse the fold to tuck the head inside, get your scissors and cut from the start of the neckline to the line you've just folded. This will give your horse ears when you reverse fold the head. Firstly though, you need to fold the centre triangle down. Your horse is pretty much complete now. You just need to get rid of the pointy nose, feet and tail. So grab your scissors again and tidy those up. Done.
Are you alright, Steve?
Oh, here we go.
You'll never guess what.
What?
Well, you know I went to the horse racing earlier?
I didn't know that, but go on.
Well, my horse came in at 20 to 1.
Oh, well done. So how much do you win?
Nothing. Unfortunately, all the other horses had come in by 12:30.
Get off my field. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications for upcoming videos.